Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun video. It's Craftmas Season 3, Episode 26, and I'm going to show you how to decorate this adorable pillow cover, which I purchased from Amazon, which I bought like a set of 4 of them for like 12 bucks. With a fall design. Now the design is available on my Patreon page for my $10 or more a month patrons. We do try to do all of our files that we're using for Craftmas on Patreon, so you have access to all of them. So the vinyl I'm going to be using is Black Thermoflex Plus and then Glitterflex Ultra in copper. You're also going to need your heat press preheated to 330 degrees, a Teflon sheet, your t-shirt guide, and your easy weeding wooden pick. And for your pillow, you'll need something to put inside of your pillow. Not while we heat it, but like to actually use it, because this is just a pillow cover. So if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we'll go over how to make this. Okie dokie. So as you can see, I have my pillow cover laid out. I have my vinyl all cut, so we're going to start placing that on our pillowcase. Now I am doing this upside down because I wanted the zipper edge to hang off, so that way I could have a better application. And then kind of what I'm doing is I'm lining the letters up with the stripe, so that way I can kind of keep things in line. Wrong one. Okay. So far, so good. So you can kind of see what I'm talking about, how I have it lined up with the stripe up here. Make sure everything looks nice and straight. Now with stripes, that's kind of where it gives you, now I know that it might look a little crooked on here, but it isn't. It's just kind of how the camera angle is set up. So I'm happy with that. So again, lining it up, matching it up kind of with the stripes. It gives me a good jumping off point. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me. So again, I'm gonna take and cover with my Teflon sheet. And then we're gonna heat this for 15 seconds. And as I said, my heat press is preheated to 330 degrees, so not really much of a deal. But I don't have it set on the 15 seconds because I'm doing 20,000 other things during the day. Okay, so as you can see, that's heated on here. So we're gonna start by removing the clear plastic. Okay. Look how good that looks. Now, we're gonna take our copper Glitterflex Ultra layer. And try to match up our lines. There we go. Looks pretty good. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're going to cover and heat again for the full 15 seconds. There we go. Okay. Okay, remove the clear plastic layer. I'm loving the orange and black buffalo plaid and using like a glitter with it to kind of give it something extra. And now I'm gonna heat one more time for the full 15 seconds just to make sure everything is applied well. This is something I always like to go back and do. It's just an extra preventative measure to make sure your vinyl stays. And I actually only did that for 10 seconds. But look how good that looks. So if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle and put a pillow in here, we'll show you how this looks. Look how cute this came out. I am absolutely in love. Now, my pillow insert that I have is a little small for this pillow. That's why it looks a little like janky, because it's a little small. Because my pillow I have in it is like a 14-inch pillow, but I kind of wanted to give you the idea of what it looks like. But isn't that gorgeous? And such an easy thing to change out. And let me tell you, these pillow inserts, using the pillow covers like this and making your own makes it so much easier to store holiday throw pillows, because you know, I love to decorate for the holidays, but storing massive amounts of pillows, you know, for my couch and all that all the time is a pain in the hiney. So I love how this came out. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when I post new videos, which is typically every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but we're in the middle of Craftmas, so it's a little bit more. It is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now, Tuesdays, even through Craftmas, I always do a live video at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. But I guess that's it, so we'll see y'all later. Bye.